How we doing? I shut the radio off for a minute to make a video. Yeah, out here working on the Gleaner C2. Got it jacked up. Not great, but it's gonna hold. Yeah. I hit a point, I think I still got the video I did while I was waiting. Hit a point where it no longer turned. It would no longer go anywhere. It's like, okay. So Uncle came out here with the tractor. It broke down right there at the turn. We're gonna pull it home. Well, then all of a sudden, the wheels started coming loose. The big drive wheel right there. Okay. So we pull it back here rather than take it home. I'm out here today, it's a couple months later. This is how loose it is. And it's still bolted solid to the hub. So it got major issues in it. I'm gonna go get an impact wrench. Yeah, here's one bearing. Bearing cage. Another chunk of the bearing cage. Stuck in there.
Take the cover off, you can pull those pieces up out of there. Cut yourself. Leave that there. You go.
There's that, there's the gear, there's the rest of the bearing back there and the nut.
There's a nut back there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you didn't bring a wrench to take the cover off.
Didn't even think about it, I was just thinking about that. There's the hub with the chunk of seal.
Seal setting.
Splines are stripped. The shaft.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Seal over there. Gear looked alright. And the splines inside look good.